Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about what is WordPress and why we are going to use WordPress for our web design purposes, because there are many other software or many other tools that are available online, but we can use them, but why you choose WordPress? So talking about WordPress is a free web design and content management software. So if you search on internet, there are many type of web design and content management softwares that are available. Like you can take an examples like Joomla, you can take example like Wix, Squarespace, and many other platforms that are available on internet through which we can design different type of websites and landing pages. So if you're talking about WordPress, then WordPress has the free feature and it has some good reviews and some drag and drop features. So if you don't belong to any technical background, if you don't know any coding, then also you can do it at very quick and simple steps. So if you are a housewife, you are a student, you are a job person, any other person who have some technical knowledge only but not the deeper knowledge on technical, then you can use this WordPress services for your business or designing any websites. So if you talk about the statistics of WordPress, then according to Google, then it is a survey that conducted by Google that how many websites that are using WordPress and other services. So if you see on internet, then you can see that there are lakhs or crores of websites that are available on internet. But if you take an example or if you take an average of them, then according to Google, the statistics that they have covered, according to them 33% of websites are using WordPresses. So you can understand that 33% is like 1/3 or percentage of how many people that they are using these WordPress services. So now you get a clear knowledge on how the WordPress services is going to use in different purposes while our web designing processes. Now we will talk about what are the perks or what are the advantages of WordPress, because in this section we are going to use WordPress. So we need to understand that why we are using these WordPress services for our designing purpose. So if you talk about the different benefits of WordPress, then the first benefit that I am going to talk about is SEO. So what does mean by SEO? So actually SEO stands for search engine optimization. Then it is a very broad term, the SEO is, because it is takes some vast time or take many times to cover the SEO round. So now we'll talk a little bit about SEO. So what is the SEO means? So SEO means search engine optimization. So if you have any article website or if you have any website or apps or anything in internet and you want to rank it top on Google, it means if you want to rank it on Google and you want that people will come to your site and read the articles, or they can use the services that you are offering in your website or apps, then through the SEO processes, there are many processes that you are going to take over in SEO. Through this, you can rank your website in Google, so that when someone searches your term in Google, then your website will appear at the top. So you can do it easily by using these WordPress services. So now we'll talk about the second box or the second benefits that WordPress provides. So the second benefits is easy to use. As I have told you in the earlier also, WordPress is free and easy to use software. You just only need some drag and drop feature. You just need to drag some elements and drop in the process of web designing. So through this process also you can design website very easily. Then the third things that I am going to talk about is the security. You know that how the security matters. If you are living in a room also, the security is important. Similarly, there are many spammers or hackers that are available on internet. They always try to spam your website. So you need to keep your website always secure. So in my earlier stages, I don't use any security to my website. So I have faces many problems. Some of my websites got hacked also. So you need to keep on track your website for the security reason also. So you need to install different plugins that are available on WordPress for the security. So WordPress provides a very good security rather than other services or other web design providers that provide. Then the quick installation. So if you are using any apps or any softwares in your mobile phone, you can take an example of your laptop or any computers. Then you know that to install a software how many tasks you have to done. We have to allow some permissions. We have to set up the file library where we have to install this software, and many things we need to do. Similarly, but instead of our WordPress designing, then we just need to have some quick installation. Like we just need to touch on 2 or 3 buttons to install the software. So it is very easy to install the software. You don't need any technical knowledge, or you don't need any better experience or knowledge to install the software. So while designing our WordPress website, it is a very good feature that WordPress provides. Then the fifth thing that is I'm going to tell you is the plugin feature that WordPress provides. So if you want to do anything in WordPress, you can take anything. Like if you want to add any social media icons, if you want to add any images, if you want to show the maps in your website, then you can do it easily by using WordPress plugins. So WordPress plugins will save your time. They will provide many plugins. There are lakhs or crores of plugins that are available on WordPress. You can use it to design your software, and you can design beautiful softwares easily by using these plugins. Sixth thing that is I am going to tell about is a group of community support and good community support. So if you are using WordPress, then you have in the initial stages you have faced many doubts that how to design these things, how to do these things, how to install these things, how to do anything. So if you are using any new software like the Wix, or you can take an example of Squarespace, then if you search on the social media, like you can search on YouTube, you can search on Facebook, you can search on Quora, you can search on Reddit, then in these platforms you don't get a good support because maximum people are not using these services. But if you search for WordPress, then you will get maximum results or maximum solutions that your problem needs. So it is very easy and it is very helpful to you to use WordPress, and you get a good community support for WordPress. Then the seventh things is the WordPress updates. So if you are using any other coding softwares, or you are using any other web design software for your web designing purpose or your landing page purpose, then you have to update it manually in day by day or monthly or weekly. But if you talk about the WordPress, then it has some auto updates feature. Auto updates means automatically after 2 days or 3 days, the plugins, the themes, or all the different materials that are available on your website will get automatically updated. So it's a very good feature that you can use in WordPress also. And if you talk about the 8th and the best thing that is WordPress provides, is speed. So if you are talking about actual website, according to Google also, people will stay in a website if the website will load after 3 seconds of the click. So if you are using any websites and the website opened after a very long time, like after many seconds, then you don't use this site because you don't have time to actually search on internet. But if your website is open up quickly, and you can use these websites also very easily. So if you are using WordPress, then it provides a very quick speed. You can use the CDN. If you don't know your CDN, then CDN provides also a very good speed to your website. By using the WordPress, then it is actually the benefits of WordPress that you can use. So now we have talked about the benefits that WordPress provides.